Welcome everybody back to the Radical Marketer YouTube channel, where we talk about how to leverage credit, how to leverage social media, and how to make money online. So if that interests you, smash that like button, punch that subscribe button, and knock out that bell notification button, because we make videos daily, 3 videos a day. So check out all the videos from today, yesterday, and a favorite playlist. Binge on it today. All right, y'all, we are going to talk about Alliant Credit Union. It's famous. A lot of you all love it. A lot of you don't know about it yet. I'm going to cover the pros and the cons of this credit union, because there are many cons or potential cons that I can see in this credit union, but there's also some good. We're going to cover the good, the bad, the happy, the sad. But before we do that, go ahead and smash the like button and throw a comment about Alliant if you know anything about it, or a question that you have throughout the video. And I want to give a giant shout out to all of my first time viewers. You guys could be watching any YouTube videos and you're watching this one. It means more to me than you know. Promise to give you all stuff and no fluff. They're very conversational, organic videos to help you get high credit funding. So subscribe today, smash that like button, and let's get into it, people. All right, so Alliant Credit Union is going to be based in Illinois, formerly known as United Airlines Employee Credit Union. That has changed to Alliant Credit Union. They are around the 8th largest credit union in the world, and they have $8 to $9 billion in assets. So they are a big player in the credit union game, and they are rocking the Midwest. Now, I'm going to go over some data points as far as membership, what they pull from. We're going to go through some of their products. I've taken a lot of notes, and I want to make some things very clear about this credit union because this is a very popular credit union, but I don't feel like everything is fully reported on this credit union. So let's just jump right into it. So number one, Alliant Federal Credit Union is going to have no geo restrictions. All you have to do is open a $5 savings account to get in. All of the credit products are going to have a hard pull from TransUnion. And you guys ladies and gentlemen, need to know this. They are very conservative with lending. Okay? They really cater to a high net worth individual, pristine credit scores, get the highest limits, of course. Income is going to be a major thing with Alliant. Alliant does require proof of income for all of their credit products, including their credit cards. So that could be a major deterrent, because there's no stated income with this credit union like there are on many other credit unions when you're dealing with credit cards. So you need to know going into Alliant that if you apply for a credit card, a loan, a car loan, whatever the case is, you're going to have to be giving proof of income. You're going to have to be having a good banking relationship with them. Your TransUnion needs to be strong, and you need to be making a lot of money. So those are going to be those are going to be really helpful. Now, as far as double pulls, you can use the same app for multiple applications. So the app is good for 30 days with TransUnion. So let's say you apply for a credit card, you can go around and apply for a home equity line of credit or a car loan, all within 30 days utilizing that one pull. Now, if you guys know how to get rid of hard inquiries on all of the credit bureaus, then these hard pulls don't matter to you. But it does matter to a lot of people like myself that don't want to waste the time or pay somebody to do it, even though you know how to do it yourself. It's time consuming, and time is money, right? Time is the best currency that you have. So if you know how to wipe them, awesome. If you don't know how to wipe them like most people, then you need to know that about the hard pulls and how that works out. And I did make a note that they are the 8th largest with $9.7 billion in assets. Okay, and they're also rated within the top 30 credit unions for you guys to know. Let's jump right into this. So personal loans, okay, they're going to have up to 60 months on the personal loan side, up to $50,000 worth of funding, so $1,000 to $50,000, terms from 1 to 5 years. I do like this, typically same-day deposit in your account, so they move pretty quick. Same-day funding happens with Alliant, no prepayment penalty. Loan approval and APR based on your payment method, credit worthiness. They highlight that, and ability to repay. So they will be looking at the ability to repay about how much money you're making. Now, the one thing that you could probably get by, and here's a credit tip for you. If you're doing your primary banking with Alliant, they can see how much cash flow is going in and out, and they may not require proof of income if you have an extremely high credit score, or you're doing a ton of banking and they see constant direct deposits coming in. They may not do a proof of income at that point. You can kind of do the calculator to see what you guys qualify for. 6.24 is a really good rate for 12 months. 10.24 is okay. not the greatest. But yeah, you guys can check that out and see what you guys think. Now, what's really cool is they kind of give you a graph between Discover, Lending Club, and Alliant. So you can choose the flex terms. No origination fees. Discover and Alliant don't do that. Same day in most cases. Discover and Alliant, same day funding in most cases. Boom. And no prepayment penalty. So Discover is one of the best for personal loans, as you guys know. I've done a video on them. You guys can check out the loan playlist too if you guys like that. But the personal loans, that's what we're looking at for that. Personal, let's go into the next one here. Auto loans, that's what I wanted to go to. So auto loans, you're looking at 1.94 for a new vehicle. Max term 60 months, 2.29, 60 months. Vehicle refi 2.29, 60 months. And then vehicles 10 to 15 years old, 5.29, 60 months. Their rates are really good with their auto loans. RV loans look pretty nice as well. And then you can also dive more into the certified vehicle program and the buying program. So their auto loans are incredible. Their personal loans are pretty good. $50,000 loans are pretty good. And then we're also looking at the home equity line of credit. So 90% LTV is pretty strong for HELOCs. 4% decent. 360 months is very, very, very strong. So max term of 15 to 30 years. Low is 4%. 90% LTV. No closing costs or appraisal fees. Very, very strong on the HELOCs. As you can see, Simple Dollar has given them the best mortgage lender of 2019. And then NerdWallet and banking rates, they also put their 2 cents in. As far as HELOC goes, this could be the best HELOC in the game. If you guys know a better HELOC, put it in the comment section. But your HELOC here is going to be really, really good. You can maximize your loan with no application fees, appraisal fees, or closing costs on lines up to $250,000. Really, really good. Let's keep rolling on. I think their home equity lines of credit, the personal loans, their products are good. Okay, the products are good. The fact that you can get in easy is going to be great, but your proof of income for credit cards is going to be pretty janky. Mortgages. You guys can look at that. 120-day lock-in for new construction, 60-day for refi, 45-day for purchase. I've seen that up to 90 days, no application fee. Low and no down payment programs. Mortgaging financing available nationwide. And you guys can look at that. Refi, traditional, jumbo. You can kind of go into that on your own time. And we got the credit cards, okay? These are going to be known. The Visa Signature Card has long been talked about as the best cashback card. Let me know what your favorite cashback card is, but let's talk about this real quick. The lower two, they're going to have zero introductory APR for 12 months on purchases and balance transfers. Pretty strong there. One's going to be this one is going to be zero fraud. This one's zero fraud, no annual fee. And you guys can kind of dive deeper into them here. Now, let me close this window out. The Platinum card is going to be good for everyday expenses. That is going to be, I believe, and it says generous credit lines. Now, I've heard that these credit cards are going to start off at $10,000. Generous credit lines. They say generous, they mean generous. But you're not just going to get this card without proof of income. Okay, 0% APR on that. But let's talk about this for a second here. The Visa Signature Cashback. Earn unlimited cashback with no annual fee and no tricky categories to track with the Alliant Cashback Visa Signature. Their APR is going to be 12.24, no annual fee. Earn unlimited cashback. Now, the cashback is 2.5 cashback on your first 10,000 of qualifying eligible purchases per month, actually, on that. And then 1.5 after purchases over 10,000. No foreign transaction fees. I love it. And then you're going to actually have to be tied to a checking account to get the full advantage of that. The one thing to notice about this card is they don't have a sign-up bonus. So there's no intro APR or anything like that. And then it talks about the Tier 1 rewards and then the Alliant high rate checking requirements as well. I'll do a separate video on this, but this has been called the best cashback card by many people. Okay. Now, let me know what you guys think about Alliant. The only thing that I have a problem with about Alliant is this. the proof of income requirements to get a credit card is going to stink. Also, how they're going to be judging the credit report, they're going to be very conservative in their lending. They will give you high limits if you're doing a lot of banking with them. High interest savings accounts, you've done multiple loan products, sure. But your intro credit limits are probably going to be around $10,000 per card. Now, the signature card is going to go up to $100,000 in possible limits. So that is something to keep note of. This is a $100,000 credit card. I'll do a separate video on this credit card. We'll dive deeper on it. But let me know what you guys think about Alliant. I love their loan products. Their home mortgages, their HELOCs are amazing. Their credit cards are amazing. It's just going to be tough for most people to get Alliant. Let me know if you have it. Let me know if you like it, if you don't like it. And like, comment, subscribe. Check out all the playlists of the best credit unions. Anything that you want, we pretty much have it. We're doing 3 videos a day. Join the private Facebook group. Add me on Instagram @RadicalMarketer. Both those links are in the description below. And I can't wait to hear what you guys think about Alliant. But I think Alliant is good. I'm not going to get Alliant this year, but I probably will end up getting Alliant down the road when I want to do a HELOC. I will probably go with them. The credit cards really don't matter to me. They don't have business products, which I like the business side of things a lot. So there's no business banking. So I'm going to save my credit unions for banks, credit unions that have business and personal side. But Alliant definitely serves this purpose. It's probably one of the best consumer credit unions in the game. So that's my 2 cents on it. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Salute.